everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your games to the Nvidia app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on graphics at the left. This is where it shows all the games it has detected on your computer. If your games aren't showing, don't worry. Tap on the three dots and then tap on Add a Program. Click it and File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the folder where your games installed. Common locations include program files, x86, Epic Game folder. Select the folder and click Add. Once you select the games folder, the app will analyze it and add it to your list. You will now see the game appear on the left side along with your other titles. And that's it, your game is officially added to the Nvidia app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.